Okay, we are in IMTEX 2025. It's been very busy show so far. We have a very important customer on our stand, Mr. Gopal Krishnan from IMTEX. Now it is Stellantis. Sir, I just wanted to understand from you. You use number of solutions. So if you can just give a few highlights, what you use and what's your experience?
Yeah, happy to be a participate in this IMTEX 2025, and this is my first visit of IMTEX stall. Happy to be a part of Renishaw's being in the Renishaw stall. We have been past 3 years. We are using the Equator solution, which gives a lot of benefits to our machine shop. I am the laboratory in judge, and I do save minimum. I would say 3 hours per shift on our controlling our hardline grinding solutions, which we have a better solution with Renishaw Equator, and we are enjoying a lot on basis of repeatability and accuracy both, and we have a lot of time saving and our metrology capacity increase.
Okay.
So and I am excited to be implementing the same in the nearby future in our engine shop also.
Okay. That's one part of solution that you use, Equator, for your inspection of your components. You also use our stylus, the consumables.
Yeah.
What's your
So
experience on that?
gear metrology, we use our Gleason machine with the Renishaw probate and the stylus system, which it doesn't have any issues so far past 5 years, I would say.
So reliability point of view, you're happy about it, yeah.
Happy about that.
And I think also on the machine shop where you are doing CNC machining of your components,
Yeah.
they also use probes on the.
Yeah, all probing solutions are given by the Renishaw team, which gives better results
Yeah.
in terms of accuracy and repeatability, I would say.
Yeah. And one last thing, how do you look at us as a support? How are you happy with the
On
support?
service and support point of view, it's excellent. I would say immediate on the next day they would able to visit us for giving a quicker solution in terms of service.